Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox my newly item. This is the Sony DSC-WX500. And guys, this is my first ever brand new camera. Right now, ang official price nito sa Philippines is 16,999 pesos. And nabili ko to guys sa Camera House. Kung gusto nyo rin bumili sa physical store, pwede naman kayong pumunta doon. And kung available siya sa Lazada, ilalagay ko yung link sa description if ever na gusto nyo ng hassle-free shopping. And by the way guys, at the end of this video, we will also going to test a little bit the video performance of this camera and also yung zoom test niya. Kasi yung isa sa mga highlight dito is 30 times optical zoom lens. And pag interested na kayo nito guys, this is it guys. I-unbox natin siya. And let's see kung ano ba yung makikita natin inside the box. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Alright guys, this is the box of Sony WX500. Dito sa gilid makikita niyo yung mga highlights niya. Meron siyang 18.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, 30 times optical zoom, up to 60 times clear image zoom, 180 degree tiltable LCD, and high quality video. And guys, ito yung mga accessories na pwede nyong bilhin. Meron siyang extra battery, charger, I think this is wall charger, at saka yung case niya. And guys, if gusto nyo makita yung mga processor niya, ayan siya. So, I think yung mga highlight dito, yung mga nagustuhan ko, meron siyang Wi-Fi, meron siyang NFC, tapos pwede siyang 4K, tapos yung full HD niya. Ayan. So, yan. Pause nyo na lang yung screen if gusto nyo siyang basahin. Alright guys, buksan na natin. And guys, nung binili ko to, it comes with a free UHSI Class 10 16GB memory card. So this is 90 megabytes per second. And you will get the as usual yung inyong mga manuals. Yan, meron siyang English and I think this is Japanese. Your warranty card and some instruction guide. So this is your charger. And your cord. Another cord. And guys, meron siyang free wrist strap. And guys, yung battery niya is 1,240 milliampere. And your unit itself. So guys, sa harap, ito yung kanyang makikita. And sa likod is yung inyong mga menu. So, yan, meron siyang menu function, play, delete, and yung cursor. Tapos, ito yung pagkuha ng video. Then, sa top, meron siyang, ito, yung shutter button, on and off. Tapos, ito yung mga mode nyo. So, meron siyang automatic, scene, ayan. And guys, meron tong flash, no? And guys, yung isa sa mga gusto ko dito, meron kasi itong flip up screen. Ayan. Alright guys, dito sa baba, makikita nyo yung mount. Meron siyang speaker, tapos dito nilalagay yung battery, I think. So, lagay ko tong battery natin dito. Tapos, yung memory card. And ayan siya guys. So, medyo madali lang naman siyang gamitin guys. So, meron kayong camera settings, custom setting, wireless, applications, playback, and setup menu. And that's it guys, that is the unboxing of Sony WX500. And as I promised guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung some of the video sample using this Sony WX500. Yung video niya, itry natin yung kanyang zoom test. And there you have it guys, that is the a little bit zoom test of Sony WX500. And guys, gagawin din natin, let's also switch this camera dyan sa screen niya. Alright guys, right now ginagamit ko na yung ating Sony WX500 as a camera. What do you think guys? Mas okay na ba ito or yung cellphone kanina na ginagamit natin? Let me know about your thoughts, or kung meron kayo na to, comment kayo down below sa mga idea para malaman din ng mga ating viewers. And there you have it guys, that is the unboxing of Sony WX500 and a little bit review of zoom test. If you like this video, give us a like. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't to. i-ring nyo na rin yung bell para kapag meron tayong bagong video, manonotify kayo sa inyong YouTube account or saan man. And it will be amazing. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye!